This is my chicken that I did that was in the microwave and everything. So this is the chicken and this is the seasoning. No, I'm sure you season it later. But this is his chicken though. It's not done and everything like that. So after I finish this, I will season this. Oh, sorry for the mess right here. So, my bad, I'm sorry. There you go. See the season? There you go. You see the season? Right here. This is the seasoning. Then I'm gonna put on this seasoning. I'm gonna put on this chicken and this greens. But you see my chicken is not done cooking, but I'm sure after I finish cooking all of them, I'm gonna show you my finishing touch. Alright, bye.